Traders need margin to take and maintain positions. Instead of keeping large amounts of cash idle, many prefer pledging their stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or ETFs to generate that margin. But until now, the margin from pledging was credited only on the next trading day. This one-day delay became a problem whenever traders needed margin immediately, whether to adjust positions, manage MTM changes, or meet a sudden increase in margin requirements. Earlier, the only way to handle such situations was by adding cash to the account or exiting holdings or positions. With instant pledging, traders can now pledge their securities and receive a collateral margin in just about 15 minutes instead of waiting until the next trading day. Let's understand what is pledging. Pledging simply means offering the securities you already hold, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, etc., as a collateral to receive trading margin after a small deduction called a haircut. This margin can be used for equity intraday trading and buying and selling F&O contracts. So how do you pledge your securities? To pledge your holdings from the Kite app, tap on your user ID and then Portfolio. Scroll down and tap on Pledge Holdings. Select Holdings to pledge. Edit the quantities to be pledged. Tap on Continue. Agree to the terms of service for pledging and click on Submit. Enter the OTP received on your phone and tap on Verify. Here's how you can pledge from Kite web. Log in to Kite, click on your user ID and then Console. Click on Portfolio and then on Holdings. Click on Pledge Holdings. Select Holdings to pledge. Edit the quantities to be pledged or choose to pledge all the quantities. Click on Continue. Agree to the terms of service for pledging and click on Submit. Enter the OTP received on your phone and click on Verify. You can pledge securities between 7 am and 6 pm on trading days. The cost of pledging is 30 rupees plus GST per request per ISIN, irrespective of the quantity you pledge. There are no charges for unpledging. After you place a pledging request, it usually gets processed within about 15 minutes. The request may show as successful, pending, overdue, or failed. Once it's successful, you'll see a P icon next to the pledged quantities in your holdings on Kite, and the added collateral margin will appear in your funds page. Quantities marked as pending, successful, or overdue can't be pledged again on the same day. The collateral value is calculated using the previous day's closing price after applying the haircut. For example, say you hold Reliance shares worth 1 lakh rupees. With a 9% haircut, the usable collateral becomes 91,000 rupees. This amount will show separately under the collateral section in your funds tab. You can also sell pledged securities instantly without submitting an unpledged request. For more details, click the link in the description. If you have any queries, feel free to drop them in the comments and we'll be happy to answer them.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Brokerage will not exceed SEBI prescribed limits.